Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am getting ready. I'm in the process. I just kind of wanted to start out on my channel talking about how proud I have been of myself, or how proud I am of myself for just being consistent for the last 3 months. And for me, that's a big deal because I've had my channel for, well, I started this channel 2 years ago. Oh, it's 2019, it's the new year. So I started this channel almost 3 years ago. At the very end of 2016 is when I posted my first video. And I had all these high hopes for my channel. And I knew that I wanted to really put my all into it, but I didn't realize that it actually takes a lot of work. And I don't think some people realize that it does take work. Look at me, I'm getting distracted. Some people really don't realize that it definitely does take work, not only just to film the video, but first you have to come up with a concept or an idea, and then after you film it, of course, you have to edit it. So editing takes a lot of your time. It takes hours just to edit one video. And so I think I underestimated the amount of time that I would need to put in order to really make my channel thrive and make it the way that I wanted it to be. So over the last 3 months, I really have been putting in that time, putting in the effort, and being consistent. And I think it definitely shows. And I've been adding in more vlog content like I've been wanting. I finally introduced that I always wanted to vlog, and I never did because I was too scared for, you know, my own, I guess, insecurities, to be honest. But now I am vlogging, I'm doing beauty videos, and I'm very proud of myself. And I really want my channel to not only just, I don't want it just to be a space for me to be creative, which I absolutely love, but I genuinely want to help other people. And I want to share things about myself that will encourage other people along the way, hopefully. Just in regards to things that I've dealt with in my life, such as like depression and anxiety, which is something that I still deal with, the anxiety part, and just learning how to manage it, and dealing with social anxiety, which is a big one for me, and things like low self-esteem. I really want to be able to help other people. I don't want my channel to just be a beauty related channel. I actually want to give something back to people that could help them, I don't want to say survive, but when you're dealing with things like depression and anxiety, it is you do have to learn to survive essentially, or you have to learn how to motivate yourself and encourage yourself. So I would like to be able to help other people just feel motivated and encouraged the way that other people have made me feel, or just things that I have done along the way to make myself feel encouraged and motivated. So that's some of the content that I want to kind of bring to my channel, just things that I speak on, because I don't want it to just be a surface level channel where it's like, oh, this is how I maintain my natural hair, this is how I get ready, or whatever. The content that I'll be producing, I want it to be that, plus this is how I work through certain issues in my life, and here's how you can work through it too. These are the tools that you can use as well. And I think every day is a learning process. So with me being consistent, I definitely will start to add in those elements into my channel. So I'm really excited. And yeah, I'm definitely going to be speaking more about those topics and just other things in the future. So look forward to that. So today I have, today's Saturday, by the way, and I'm off on the weekend. So today I did an at-home workout. I really have been trying to get back into my fitness game because I fell off, and I fell off hard. but I'm back on it now, and I started a cleanse per se. I really hate to put labels on things, because when you start to tell yourself you're on a diet, you're on a cleanse, then it kind of feels like it's a whole lot of work and it's a lot that you need to live up to. It's just too much pressure. So I call it a cleanse, but honestly I'm just trying to make better decisions in regards to my eating and my fitness. So right now I am not drinking, which is a big one for me because I love me a glass of wine, honey, okay? On the weekends I really do take part in that. Even during the week I may have like a glass of wine or something. So for now I am not drinking because those are extra calories, and I am just trying to eat healthier. So for breakfast I've been doing like a boiled egg or a poached egg. Definitely eating more fruits, but I'm really just trying to focus more on a low calorie count. So I'll do like a salad for dinner, or I'll even buy like a low calorie TV dinner for lunch when I'm at work. Something really simple. I haven't been cooking, which I would like to get on more, and I definitely will in the upcoming weeks when I just make more time for that. But I've been doing good so far just in regards to my eating and working out. I prefer to go to a trail outside. I'm not like a indoor type of chick. I like to see my environment. I like to see, you know, the water at the trail that I go to. But the weather has been cold here in Houston, so I've been doing some workouts in my living room. So earlier I did this workout from a YouTube channel that I follow called Fitness Blender, and I've been following them for a while now, for a few years, and their videos are intense. But what I like about them is that they also include videos on their channel that are great for people who are not necessarily like workout fanatics. So they'll have like shorter videos on there, or they'll have videos that aren't full of like high cardio. They'll have like low cardio if you kind of want to take it easier, and you can work your way up. They even have, like, if you are an intense workout person, they have a 1,000-calorie workout video. And back in my day when I was really heavily into working out and eating right, I would do those. But those videos are literally like almost an hour and 30 minutes, so you definitely have to take your time with those. But yeah, today I just did a 34 minutes strength video, and yeah, it has me feeling good. Not only just because I am trying to lose weight, by the way. Right now I'm at 149, and my goal is to go down to 135, maybe even lower if I plan on like lifting weights and building more muscle, which I'm not sure yet because I've never been a fan of being too muscular. But I'm at 149, like I said, and I actually dropped a couple of pounds. I was at, I want to say 152, which is the most that I've ever weighed, because I was pretty much eating anything and everything in sight, which is not good. So yeah, my goal is 135. When I'm at that weight, I feel my best, and I haven't been at that weight in about a year and a half, so that is my goal. Yeah, I just really want to feel better. I have had no energy lately. I have been tired every single day, which is a problem. It's hard for me to get out of bed. I hit that snooze button at least 6 times, which that's not normal. I think it's normal to hit the snooze button twice, but when you're like running late for work because you could not get out of bed, that's a problem. So I need to definitely work out more, because when you work out and exercise, it definitely helps with your energy levels. So that's what I have been up to today. And what I'm actually getting ready for is I'm heading to a African American museum. It's close to downtown. I've never been, and I just want to get out the house and do something different. And then after that, I'm going to this free fashion show that is at Discovery Green. I actually have a vlog that I filmed at Discovery Green. If you want to check it out, please feel free. But they're doing a free fashion show there, and they're showing 3 different designers. One of the designers is, oh, I'm popping. One of the designers is Chloe Dow, and she actually was on a Project Runway. I think she was like on the first season, and she's from Houston originally. I don't know about the other 2. That starts at 5. As usual, I'm running late. 3:25. I told myself I wanted to leave here by 3 o'clock. So I'm about to head out. This is what I am wearing. It's just a bodysuit, some jeans, and these shoes that I got from DSW. They were on sale. I am wearing this jacket that I got from Pretty Little Thing. Yeah, I'm laying my edges. I gotta be on point with the edges, but this is my outfit for a casual Saturday out. So let's go.
You happy to be out?
I am. Look at Mama's swag. She's swagged out. No, hey.
I don't know. I want to have something really hard. I want to look at people's fashion.
Oh, that's where the fashion show?
I don't want them to harass me. That's so cute.
Oh, you want to look at who?
I mean, I want to look at people's stuff, but I don't want them to harass me. But
We had a bonding moment. Okay. She never wants to bond.
whatever. I carried you for 9 months.
Well, we're leaving now. It's a little nippy. Yes. So thanks for tuning into this vlog, and I will catch y'all in the next vlog.